In this episode, we will explore Velika Planina. Velika Planina is located in the Kamnik-Savinja Alps, northeast of Kamnik in Slovenia. The shepherds built hundreds of shepherds' huts of special shape. Its highest peak is called Gradišće, which reaches a height of 1666 meters. If you have any questions, you can write it in the comments section. More information and location you can find in the description. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to activate the bell icon. Thumb up if you like the video. Thank you for watching, until the next time.